Hello again from bed. This is my Joy Journal day 22, our full free day in Monterosso and Vernazza. You will see from the clips I'm about to show you, I spent most of the early afternoon in Vernazza, which is one town over. After we were done walking around and shopping there, we came back to Monterosso and had a lot of beach time. It was so fun. The water was incredible. After our beach time, we had about an hour of downtime, and then we had dinner with our group. We had a little demonstration on how to do homemade pesto, which was very cool. And we had pesto lasagna, which I've never had before, and it was fantastic. The whole dinner was fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the clips. Bye! This is the beach in Vernazza, one town over from where we're staying. We are in the Cinque Terre region, which is basically 5 very small towns that are only connected by train, as you can see right there, or by boat. We took the train here, and although we would like to visit all 5 towns, we only have one full day here, which is today. So all of our time will be spent either in Monterosso al Mare or in Vernazza, which is this town. And it is just gorgeous. Wow. There are anchovies in the water. Look at that. Here I am at the beach in Monterosso. It is so nice. The sand is burning hot though, so I kind of regret not bringing my shoes up to the edge of the water. But once I got and dipped myself in, it was amazing. The ocean is just like perfect swimming temperature, and oh, it's so nice. The tour guide for our group also rented us a umbrella. So we have a little umbrella station on the beach. There's the umbrella, and there's the other chair for our umbrella, and my toes covered with sand. Yeah, here's our view from our little stand. So cute. He's got that liquid ID stuff too, you know?
I see. Okay.
We have more of that if you want to. In summary today, my favorite part, the thing that brought me joy, was just how perfect the water was. I love the ocean. It's one of my favorite places. and the Mediterranean is probably the best ocean I've ever been in. The water was perfect swimming temperature, not too hot, not too cold, and it was a great refuge from the incredible heat that was today. It only was about like 85 to like 87-ish degrees, but it's very humid here, and it makes it feel like in the mid 90s almost. So that was kind of crazy. And so the water was a really good refuge from the heat. So yeah, I had fun today. And thank you for being here, and thank you for watching. Bye.